Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, bringing you a recipe in honor of the Chinese Lantern Festival, which marks the end of the Chinese New Year holiday season. Today's festive recipe comes from Rhonda L, Parkinson's, the Everything Chinese Cookbook, available for digital checkout on the NC Digital Library with your library card number. We will be making the New Year's sticky cake recipe with some modifications. For your ingredients, you will need 6 Chinese dates or any pitted dates, 3 cups glutinous rice flour or tapioca flour, 1 cup boiling water, 1 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons milk or as needed, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Step 1. Soak the Chinese dates in hot water for 30 minutes to soften. Soak the pitted dates for 10 to 15 minutes to soften, then cut in half. Step 2. Place the flour in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, mix the boiling water and the sugar until it is fully dissolved. Step 3. Using your hand, make a well in the middle of your flour, then stir in your sugar mixture. Add in your egg and milk, and stir your batter until it is well mixed. It will be runny. From this point forward is where the recipe modifications start if you do not have a wok or a bamboo steaming basket like the original recipe calls for. Step 4. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a glass dish with the vegetable oil and pour the cake batter into the dish. Decorate your batter with the halved dates and sesame seeds. Step 5. Pour boiling water into a tinfoil-lined roasting pan. Add in your dish with the batter and loosely cover the dish with the tinfoil. Place the roasting dish with everything in it on the center rack of your oven to steam bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Step 6. Carefully remove from oven. Remove the tinfoil from the dish. While it will look generally the same as when you put it in the oven, the cake will actually be firm and solid to touch. For step 7, you will let your cake cool, then slice and serve. Enjoy! Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day!